In this video, I'll show you how to install your sail with pulley corners. Pulley corners make sail installation and removal easy. This is great for areas where the sails will be removed for part of the year. It's important to note that if you plan to use pulley corners on your sail, you need to know that before you order. That's because sails intended to be installed with pulley corners are slightly smaller than a sail for the same location that would be installed with turnbuckles. Here I've laid out two sails so you can see why the sails are different sizes. Notice what would happen if I tried to put the pulley corner on the larger sail. It's simply too long. The sail I'll be installing is a triangle sail. It will be attached to the house in two places using a wall mount and a truss mount. The third corner will be attached to one of our standard 4-inch poles. Attaching the pulley corners will be the same at all three corners. I'll show you the third corner at the pole after I've attached the first two. It's important that the wire rope clamps are at the third corner. Make sure they are not tightened. I want the wire to be able to slide freely as I pull the pulley corner closer to the pole. Notice that the wire rope slips as I pull. To attach the pulley corner, I'll remove the pin from the D-shackle, loop it through the hole in the pull tab, then reinsert the pin and tighten. Once the third corner is attached, I will tighten the wire rope clamps. Before I can pull the rope and stretch the sail, I need somewhere to attach the rope. For that, I'll be attaching this cleat to the pole. To do that, I will need to drill and tap two holes. Each tap has a corresponding drill size. First, I'll decide where I want to attach the cleat. I will mark the location of the first hole and then use a drill to make a hole. Next, I'll tap the hole. I will use cutting oil to help the tap turn smoothly. I will turn forward about a half turn, then reverse a small amount. I'll continue this process until the tap is all the way through. Once the first hole is tapped, I will screw the cleat in. I'll use it as a guide to drill the lower hole. I do this so that I will know it will line up. Once the hole is drilled, I will move the cleat out of the way and tap the lower hole. Once the second bolt is in and the cleat is fully attached, I can pull the rope until the sail is tight and then tie off the rope. To belay the rope, I will wrap the rope around both ends, then cross the rope from one side to another. I will secure it with an underhand loop, like this. That completes the sail installation with pulley corners. Just a quick note, when installing a 4-sided sail, it's best to attach the two high corners first, then finish with the low corners, making sure that the corner that you finish with has the wire rope clamps.